this is how to make a paper airplane, and I recommend you would do this because I think it's a really good airplane. Alright, I'll show you how to make it. First, you fold these two corners together right here. Really nice lined up. You want it to be really fly good. One has a little gap right there, but it doesn't matter. Then you turn it over like that and fold this up and line it up real good. It doesn't have to line up all the way to the top up here. Just make it so it's lined up. Fold it. And then you're going to take this, just like one of these, and then fold it all the way to the end of this point right here. Then you turn around and do the same thing on the other side. And then you fold it one more time over like that. And then do the same thing on the other side. And then this is your paper airplane. There it is. Alright, later.